Good morning, students. Now we will continue this topic linear inequalities. Okay, here we will do the part 3. Now, today we will do the graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variable. So, look here we will get a line that divide the Cartesian plane into two parts. Each part is known as a half plane. Okay, so you can understand these two graphs we have here. So look here, this is a x-axis and this is y-axis, and if this is a line, okay, this is a line, and this line divide this whole Cartesian plane in two part. This part is called a left hand plane and the second part is called a right hand plane. Similarly here this is x-axis and y-axis, and this is a line, and on the upper part this is called a upper half plane, and this downward is called a lower half plane. So this in both case this line divide this plane in two part. So look here, understand. Look here, in the inequalities we will put 0 0, and 0 0 meaning is here x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 will put, then satisfy the inequalities. Then inequalities lie in half plane where 0 0 exists. Okay, look here, if this line is given and in equation of line we will put place of x0 and y equal to 0, then satisfy means this inequality will be this in this left half plane, otherwise it will not in this, so it will be in a right half plane. So if we here is satisfy means it will be the upper half plane, it will be this is the inequality part, and otherwise it is a lower half plane. So look here, this whole is satisfy the inequalities. So first diagram left half plane and the second diagram upper half plane, and it is called the solution region. This will be called a solution region where the inequality is satisfied by the 0 0 point. All of you understand this? Look here, if an inequality is of the form ax plus by greater than equal to c, or if it is inequality is ax plus by is less than equal to c, means here equal sign also present, then the points on the line ax plus by equal to c, means we will draw a line, and if these are given equal also, r also include the solution, means this line will be also include in the solution solution regions. So draw a dark line in the solution region. Look here, you can check the diagram, here we draw already a dark line, so you will draw the dark line only. If an inequality is of the form ax plus by greater than 0, ax plus by greater than c, or ax plus by less than c, then the points on the line ax plus by equal to c are not to be included in the solution. So draw a broken or dotted line in the solution region. So dotted line or the broken line, this type, or we can draw dotted line we can draw, and here if these lines include means we can draw a dark line, this type dark line we can draw here. All of you understand this? So if we are given greater than equal to or less than equal to, we draw a dark line, and if this is given only greater than or less than, we draw a broken line or we can draw a dotted line. Look here, one question is represent inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. Look here, one inequality is given to you, 3y minus 5x is less than 30. Look at this inequalities we have to represent. So first of all we can write 3y minus 5x equal to 30. Okay, a line, this is a line. Okay, this will be a line. Now here we will put the value of x and y, and we will get the table. We will complete this table first. We will find 2-3 points. Now place of x and place of y. Place of x we put 0, so this will be whole 0. 3y equal to 30, so y equal to we get 10, and similarly place of y we put 0, so minus 5x equal to 30, so x equal to minus 6 we will get. Y, if I put 5, 3 5 are 15, and 15 I transfer, 30 minus 15 I get 15, and 15 divided by minus 5, I will get here minus 3. All understand? Next, place of y I can put here 10. 10 already I put here. 15 and 15 I can put here. Okay, so 15 3 ja 45, 45 a transfer, we get minus 15 and minus minus plus, and we get 3 here. So 3-4 points you can find inequalities. This is the inequality, and here I will put 0 0. So place of x and y, if I put 0, means what we get, look here, 0 is less than 30. This statement is true. Okay, this statement is true. Now we will draw the graph. We will prepare this graph, and we will take 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit. So look here, on y-axis and x-axis same we will take. Now here first point is 0 and 10. So here is x is 0 and y is 10, means this point we will take here. This is first point. First point is A. Second point is minus 6 and 0. This is minus 6 and 0 point. This is B point. Now third point is x is minus 3. X is minus 3 will be here, and y is 5. Y is 5. This point is, this is C point. And D point is 3 and 15. This is 3, x equal to 3 and y equal to 15. Y equal to 15 is here. Okay, so these all points we will join here by scale. We will put here a scale. Look here, you can check here, this is a less than sign. Less than sign means we will draw this line as a dotted line, or the represent this line as a broken line. You can check, we broke this line, and here we satisfy the 0 0. It is a true. True means we will take this region. This region is called a solution region, because 0 0 is here. So 0 0 is a down part, down half part. So this is the solution region. This is a second question. 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 12. In this also we will put we will take first a line, 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, and here also we will put some points. Look here, place of x we will put here 0, place of y we will get here 4 3 ja 12, and place of y we put 0, means we get x equal to 4. 2, place of x we put 2. So 3 2 ja 6. 6 we transfer, we get 6 here, means 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means we can write here 1.5. So these points we get here. Now we put 0 0 also. So we get here 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than equal to 12. We get 0 less than equal to 12. This is also a true. Okay. This type we can prepare a graph. Here on x-axis we can take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis also you take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and we will prepare this graph. Look here, all of you, first point is 0 and 3. So this point is 0 and 3 is this point. This is A. Second point is 4 0. This point is 4 0. This is B point. And C point is 2 and 1.5. This is x is 2 and y is 1.5. This 3 points. So minimum 3 points you will mark. You put your scale and join these lines. We will get this line and this line. Look here, we will draw dark only, because here this is less than equal to, it is given to you. Look here, we put here these points, and this point we have, look here, we have two parts. One is this part, second is this part. Look at, in this part we have this point 0 0. It is true. True means we will mark this arrow, and this solution means this is called a solution region. Solution region it is called. All of you understand this? This question is y less than minus 2, and here also we will find some points. Look here, if you put place of x any value, y will be always minus 2. Any value, 0, 5, 7, to any value you will put. Look here, you will draw a graph for these. This is the x-axis and y-axis. This is minus x-axis and minus y-axis. Look here, points is 0 and minus 2. This point is 0 and minus 2. We can mark here A, B, C, D. This is A point. Second point is 5 and minus 2. This is 5 and minus 2 point. This is B point. 7 and minus 2. 7 and minus 2 is this point C, and 2 minus 2 this point is, this is D point, and you will join these, and you will join by a broken line. Join by a broken line, because this is less than 2, less than sign only, means on the line we will not include these. And here also we put 0 0. So look here, when we put 0 0, place of y we put 0 0 minus 2 is greater than 0. Minus 2 is greater than 0? No, it is false. False means we will not take this above part, we will take the below part. So you will mark the arrow in the downward side, means this is a solution region, we can write. This is a solution region to downward this graph. Here given inequalities is 2x plus y is greater than equal to 6, and we consider this equation 2x plus y equal to 6. We find the points x and y. Place of x we put 3, then we get y equal to 0, and place of x if we put 0, y equal to 6. Now place of x we put 2, we get 4, 4 you subtract, you get y equal to 2. So these points we get here, and these points we mark here A, B and C. First point is 3 0. So we prepare this graph, and you can check here the first point is 3 0, means this is point A, that is a 3 0. Second point is B, that is 0 and 6. Okay, and third point is 2 and 2 will be here. Okay, this is C point. Now you will join, you will get a line, and here also in this equation we will put here 0 0. 2x plus y we put here 0 and 0, means 0 greater than equal to 6. 0 greater than equal to 6, no, it is false, means we will take the opposite side, opposite to this. This region is the solution region, it is called. All of you understand this? Here the question is given to you, y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x. Y we transfer this side, so we get 2x minus y. This we can write in this format, 2x minus y is less than equal to 8, means here 8 is greater than equal to 2x minus y. So you can write here 2x minus y is less than equal to 8. This you will write in form of a equation 2x minus y equal to 8, and here we will put a place of y 0, then we get x equal to 4. Now we put y equal to x equal to 0, then y equal to minus 8 we get. Now x equal to, we put 6, 6 to the 12, 12 we transfer, 8 minus 12 is minus 4, we cut, we get 4. So we get y equal to 4 we get. Now we will put here in this equation 2x minus y is less than equal to 8. Here we put 0 0. We put 0 0, we get 0 minus 0 is less than equal to 8, means 0 is less than equal to 8. This is a true. Okay. Now we draw these points. First we mark this 4 and 0. So this point is a 4 and 0. This point is A. Second point is this is a 0 and minus 8. 0 and minus 8. This point is B. And C point is 6 and 4. So this point is 6 and 4 point. This is C point. All of understand, you mark these and draw this line. Now this is true. True means you check this line divide in two parts. So in which part the 0 0 present? This is in the above part. So here this portion is called the solution region. So you can write here this is a solution region. Solution region it is called. So look here, this is the solution. All of understand this?